As you are aware, we are going to have our 14th convocation ceremony on 29th of October at Hotel Mayfair, Gangtok. This will be a blended mode convocations. Students will be online and some of the guests will be in Mayfair Hotel, where we will have this convocation, and Honorable Governor of Sikkim will be presiding over the convocation virtually. Honorable Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang, who has agreed to become chief guest on this convocation, and he has instituted a CM Gold Medal Award for the best performer of ICFA University student. So this is the first time he has agreed to offer this, and Honorable Chief Justice of Sikkim, he is also coming as special chief guest, along with Sri Kunga Nima Lipcha, who is Honorable Minister for Law, Education, Land and Revenue. He is also joining us as guest of honor. Among other guests, Honorable Chief Secretary of Sikkim and Additional Chief Secretary Education Sikkim, both will be offline at Hotel Mayfair. And this year we are giving degrees to 678 students from various faculties. They are from IT, Law, Hospitality, Management and Social Sciences. Apart from that, we are giving gold medal and silver medals to the students who have ranked in different disciplines. So this is what is about the convocations to be held on 29th October. As you know, our university is one of the premier institutions with good ranking with India Today and also with the Indian Institutional Ranking Framework, also with the NIRF, and recently the UGC had inspected our university to see the various infrastructural facilities, students as well as staff strength, and they found it satisfactory. And today we have a very good brand presence in the state of Sikkim. The local students flows have started coming to our university from last 3 years, and we are catering to the local students and also to the student outside from Sikkim. And we provide scholarships to local students who are domicile of state of Sikkim. They come through government of Sikkim quota. That apart, we give general scholarship to any students who are the resident of the state of Sikkim. And that apart, the the hill areas like Kalimpong, Darjeeling, this scholarship also provided to them. And those students who lost their parents in this COVID-19, we have decided to offer them free studentship at our university till their final education. So this is what is the we have taken the decisions. And there are also many other scholarships which are available in various portals of the Government of Sikkim and the Government of India. The student can come and take those scholarships and study with us. Because what happens, we provide professional educations and students mostly go for the traditional system of education like BA, BCom, BSc, where they lack the career part. So we provide a kind of a professional education where the students can get the career path in the multinational companies who are visiting us, our campus, every time to take students from various departments. So far we have given almost 90% placements to all of our students. Today also we have placement drives from Chennai. They have come and a lot of students are giving their interviews. Then we have highly qualified faculties, those who are PhDs as well as NET qualified, which are the mandatory requirement for a teaching institutions. So that we have already having it, and as such we are providing quality delivery in academic, and every students are satisfied, including the employers who are recruiting them. They are also satisfied as per the feedback systems we are maintaining with us.